what J&K leaders said after meeting PM Modi. Former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah led national conference demanded the restoration of statehood and said they told Modi that decisions taken in August 2019 were not in the interest of the people and should be reversed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday met political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir for the first such engagement since the region was stripped of its semi-autonomous status and statehood on August 5, 2019. Here is what the leaders and their parties said after the meeting. Delta plus variant evades vaccines? Experts flagged major concerns. COVID-19 Delta plus variant. While the earlier version had largely been blamed for the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic in India, the new, more virulent variant is being feared ahead of a potential third wave. The emergence of the Delta and Delta Plus variant of the coronavirus disease has once again put India and by extension the world in a state of high alert. Delta Plus, reportedly a variant with increased transmissibility, is the latest in a long list of new mutant forms of Delta COVID-19 strain, which was first detected in India. Delhi exaggerated oxygen need by 4 times. No such reports, says AAP. The Delhi government exaggerated the city's oxygen need by 4 times during the peak of the second wave of COVID in April and May. And the supply of excess oxygen affected other states, says an interim report of a Supreme Court audit team submitted by the centre in court. There is no such reports, Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said, calling it malicious and false propaganda. The Delhi government claims of 1,140 metric tons was 4 times the calculated consumption as per the formula based on bed capacity, which was 289 metric tons only, said the interim report of the subgroup that was part of the centre affidavit to the Supreme Court. Maharashtra likely to impose uniform restriction in state aimed threat of new Delta Plus variant. Aimed multiple cases of new Delta Plus variant being detected in different parts of the state. The Maharashtra government on Thursday held a state cabinet meeting on the issue. The new Delta Plus variant, which has been tagged as a variant of concern by the union government, can likely force Maharashtra to impose uniform restriction across the state. In the cabinet meeting, the state health ministry with experts briefed the ministers on the issue of the new variant and state seriously concerns over the presence. Earlier, Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope had said that multiple cases of the variant has been reported in the 7 districts of the state, adding that the authorities are isolating such cases and taking all the details like travel history. Coronavirus news live update. In the past 24 hours, India has recorded 51,667 new cases, while 64,527 patients recovered. The Philippines Food and Drug Agency said it has approved the emergency use of the COVID-19 vaccine developed by Indian company Bharat Biotech. Delta has become a dominant variant in India due to its improved ability to jump to new hosts and by wiping out the large part of population immunity in people, a new study has suggested. Lockdown has been ordered in central Sydney areas and authority has released a list of public exposure sites in Sydney, regional NSW and Canberra ACT.